morning! Today we're going to make veggie patties. A healthy potato with vegetable, fried, yummy patty. So I've taken 6 potatoes. I have grated my onions. I have chopped up my red pepper. I think by now you know how to do that. I don't need to show you how to chop up the vegetables. I chopped up cilantro. I have 2 eggs, garlic, black pepper, consomme, and I'm going to use some peas. The original recipe was just to put the potatoes with the cilantro, but I have added peas and red peppers to make it more colorful, more tasty. For this recipe also you need 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So I'm going to get my potatoes. I took a fork, poked my potato, and I felt it's very soft. I'm going to drain the water and mash it up. We're going to the beach tomorrow morning, so this would be a perfect snack to take with you. So I have my mashed potatoes in the bowl. I'm going to mash it. Mash, 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 mash. I don't know if you know, but we have a dog called Cosmo. And when I'm cooking, Cosmo is always near my feet. He's hoping I'm going to drop something. So here, I mashed the potatoes. I'm going to add my grated onion. I took 2 medium onion. Put my grated onions in the potato. Every time you put something in the bowl, you give it a mix. I'm not going to put my eggs now, the potatoes are still too warm. I'm going to put my red pepper that I had diced. It's really good. I'm going to add my peas. I'm going to add cilantro. Took a bunch of cilantro, washed it, and chopped it up. I'm going to add my crumbs, about 2 cups.
You know exactly my school books are inside, okay?
Oh, good. Are we going to look at some of your schoolwork?
No, all of them.
All of them?
Come right over here, they're right inside here.
Okay, I'm going to come look. I'm just going to finish this, okay? I'm going to add to this 1 tablespoon of consomme and a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add 2 eggs. Once I put my eggs in, it's easier to stir.
Look what I did!
Oh, I love it, Adina.
It's the family Latkes, okay?
You have your mix ready here?
What does this say?
That says R. Maybe that's my name.
That's your name?
Maybe it's my name.
No.
Now this is the time to oil your frying pan. Wet hands, or you could use dry hands. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I make it something like this. To test if the oil is hot, I don't have a temperature, things like that. I just put a little bit of the mixer. I put a little bit of the mix in the pan, and if I see it sizzling, then I know my oil is hot enough. The crumbs and eggs make it all come together. I put it in the saucepan with about 1 centimeter in between. Social distancing between these patties. Now, if you don't want it fried, you could bake it. What you do, you put on a baking sheet, you put your parchment paper, oil it a little bit or spray it with an oil spray, and you can put this on your pan. What I do, I take 2 forks and I flip them over. Kids love this, so this is a nice family treat for everyone. Cosmo, getting a bath today? Yeah, you good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Cosmo, can you sit? Cosmo? Sit. Sit. Give me 4. Give me 4. Good boy. Cosmo, sit. Roll over. Go down. 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 Give me 4. Give me 4. Good boy. The little baby one by Tina. You can eat it hot or cold. And that's it. It's all done. Now with this dish, I would serve it with salad. I'm going to make arugula salad. This recipe is guaranteed to succeed. Don't be alarmed if you see these little black things in the pan. Those are the red peppers or onions that have broken off the pieces while you were frying them. Thank you for joining me.